Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you something that's really fun to do using Wavetable and using the MIDI modulation. You might want to use like the amplifiers, the LFOs to modulate things, but this MIDI tab can do some pretty creative things. So there's a MIDI parameter called velocity, and that will dictate, the amplitude of your sound. If you press a key hard, it will play loud, play it soft, it'll play quieter. It's a way to use expression, but MIDI is pretty flexible, and well, the data is just data, and you can apply that data to anything else. So let's get melodic steps in here, and I'll just X everything out. And what I'm interested in is the velocity amount here. So when I give it a play, not doing much of anything, but if I kind of let's go to collect amber, this'll do nicely. I want the velocity to kind of change the wavetable position on this wavetable. And you can get some really cool kind of like sequency effects that you wouldn't be able to get otherwise, and it's just another added layer of the possibilities. So velocity right here, oscillator 1 position, just move that up, and the velocity is down here. This value is kind of low, this value is kind of high, and it'll just cycle between them. Right? So from there, what we can do, we can right click and make this a little bit longer, and just draw in some wacky sequences and stuff. And what we got here, 4/4, yeah, so we're drawing in some wacky sequences, so now it will kind of move about. Not random, but it'll be, in time. Or it'll be a pattern. And it's still the same timbre, so we're not like changing pitch, but it's an interesting sound. Right, we could do the same thing with the filter here, have the filter kind of open and close. And the sky's the limit with this one. Right? And that's just using the velocity as a modulation source for the wavetable position. So there's that, and you can take this a step further, and you can kind of play something expressively, and no matter how, like, you don't play with the same velocity as you're, fingering your keys, and this will add a whole other kind of dimension to your sound, I guess, constantly changing, things like that. And yeah, we can just, randomize, things like that, just randomize. And you get some really cool sequences for your tracks that are, I guess the word of the day is analogy. Anyway, hope that was educational. Hope you learned stuff, and take care and have a good one.